Hey there, it's so great to meet you. I'm Coach Lorianne. Congratulations for taking action and showing up for you because if you're seeing this video, it means you've booked a call with me or a member of my team. The purpose of this video is to walk you through exactly what our Take Action with Jet Propulsion Masterclass will do to change your life. It's a platform where I empower, educate, inspire, and ignite people just like you to take bold and decisive action in pursuit of your personal and professional goals. It's all about igniting that spark within you to make things happen and to show you exactly how our clients are getting massive success taking action every single time without fail. Now, this is not going to be some sales pitch. I'm literally just going to walk you through what this looks like, how this has worked for some other clients, and what this could look like for you. Now, make sure you take notes and write down questions you have so that when we're on a call, you can get the most amount of value from our time together. I'll show you how to get you where you want to be with jet propulsion without the confusion, doubt, and excuses. So let's look at how to accelerate into a realm of unparalleled achievement, how you can accelerate reaching your aspirations, propel yourself into an action at warp speed, and why it's such a big opportunity right now. I firmly believe that transformation starts from within. So my approach begins with breaking free from limiting beliefs and building unshakable confidence. Together, we'll create actionable strategy and plans that move you from a place of confusion to absolute clarity. Your dreams are big, and I'm here to help you achieve them. And that means you'll get velocity to success. You're going to experience a surge of momentum as you propel your ambitions forward with unprecedented speed and precision. You're going to get tailwind of knowledge where you'll gain access to cutting edge insights, resources, and expert guidance that will fuel your path to achievement. You'll get acceleration in connections, connecting with a dynamic community of like-minded individuals, amplifying your network and opening doors to new opportunities. And you'll get turbocharged skills. You'll elevate your skills through specialized workshops and training sessions designed to empower you with tools you need to excel. And of course, a sonic boost of confidence. Feel that rush of self-assurance as you break barriers and push boundaries, building unwavering confidence along the way. And thrust of recognition, my favorite, shine in your spotlight as your accomplishments are celebrated and honored on a platform dedicated to showcasing your successes. And a jet setter's lifestyle will enjoy curated experiences and perks that add a touch of luxury to your journey, making every step of your advancement truly exceptional. Rocketing inspiration allows you to immerse yourself in a world of innovation, creativity, and forward thinking, igniting fresh ideas that launch you to new heights. And you'll be able to do this all without having too many irons in the fire, losing your focus, wasting time searching for the right tools, utilizing justifiable excuses, we all use them, and of course, without the negative mindset. Like Liza, who went from $57,000 to $300,000 plus in less than 9 months. Or Marianne, who went from no clients to so many clients, she needs to refer them to other providers. Or Christine, who went from school teacher to author to international speaker. Or Anthony, he was working day to day, kind of in a gerbil wheel, or if you've seen the movie Groundhog's Day, doing the same thing day after day, to having goals, a strategy, accountability, and a plan, and now 9 times his income in a year. Or Liz, who went from a broken, not working practice, almost closing her doors, And after working with me, her practice thrived and now she's franchising her offices. Or Darren, before working with us, didn't have any standard operating procedures in place, going to, after working with me, to establishing standard operating systems and protocols, which allowed his team to do the work while he now is on his 100-foot yacht while his team brings home the bacon. In fact, I've done this for my own company since 2015, very successfully. And I've had the honor and pleasure of training over 5,000 entrepreneurs on how to be successful in their industry. In the last 3 years, we've coached thousands of entrepreneurs and multipreneurs soar to success with a 97% success rate. We give you structure in your strategy and clarify your vision, work on tactics, and then get you into action, supporting you with accountability so that you're consistently producing results. Now, here's how to capitalize on this opportunity. Whether you're looking to get your first $20,000 a month or looking to blow past $200,000 a month, you're looking to scale your business, change your profession, or start your own business, you need a strong foundation, success tools, a process, strategy, plan, and of course, the right mindset. So how do we create a strong foundation based on success principles? How do we architect a strategy and executable plan and guide you to the right mindset? Let me walk you through our 4 pillars of bulletproof proven system. First off, we ignite vision by beginning to crystallize your vision, setting clear and compelling goals that sparks your passion and fuels your determination. We start the process of strengthening your mindset. Second, we strategize for success. We develop a strategic roadmap, outline the precise steps and actions needed to transform your vision into a tangible reality. Third, we take decisive steps, put your plan into motion with bold and deliberate action. And of course, one has to embrace challenges as opportunities and execute with unwavering commitment. And fourth, once again, we celebrate achievements. We celebrate your victories, both big and small, and use them as fuel to inspire your progress. Most importantly, we will reflect on your journey and adjust your strategy as needed. Throughout the program, we are your accountability partner, your support, your rock, your resource. This 4-step proven process is your blueprint for turning your dreams into accomplishments. By following these steps, you'll navigate your path with purpose, clarity, and the determination needed to reach your goals. With this foundation, you can spend your time signing up clients, growing your business, and ultimately being the CEO of your company versus the labor, which gives you more time, more financial freedom. So you can spend more time with your family or traveling or reinvest that time and money into growing the business faster or growing other businesses. Obviously, you'll have to be committed to make this work. You don't just hire us and then magically you're sitting on a beach drinking margaritas, although I wish that were the case. It's not. So while your business explodes, you need that commitment to really be in your business. Here's the thing. We will be all in and we get this work to work for you, but you have to do your part. And if you're willing to do your part, show up, have fire in your belly with a desire to succeed, you'll forge a strong foundation with tools, strategy, plan, and be able to take action to scale your business where you'll never have to worry about if you made the right decision. You'll have that peace of mind for the rest of your life that you'll never have to worry about how to grow your client base, your revenue, perhaps never work for someone else again, and you can live your dream. Now, just a few obvious and not so obvious things to do before the call. Of course, show up for the call. We don't do rescheduling, and if you no show, that's not a good thing, right? So review this video again if needed and take some more notes so you can come to the call with good questions. Show up in a quiet place for your call and be ready to take notes. Please don't be in your car or taking this call from your phone. We want you to be present and focused so you can get the most out of our call. This way, you can see how Liza went from $57,000 to $300,000 in less than 9 months, and so happy living in her zone of genius instead of her shipping department. Or Anthony, that was working day to day in a Groundhog's Day, doing the same thing day after day and not moving forward, to having goals, a strategy, accountability, and a plan. And now 9 times his income in a year by working with us. Or Liz, who went from a broken, not working, dying practice, almost closing her doors, to franchising her office, making millions, and now traveling around the country. Or Darren, who had no SOPs, standard operating procedures, to establishing systems, and now is on his 100-foot yacht while his team brings home that bacon. My dedication is unwavering, and the support is there. We are always by your side throughout this incredible journey, and together we'll unlock your full potential, and you'll experience a profound transformation that sets you on your path to greatness. So if you're ready to embrace the road to your greatest achievements, I'd be thrilled and honored to be your partner in success. Join me as we embark on this empowering journey, and together we'll make magic happen. Let's ignite your passion and purpose, and together we'll ignite the catalyst for your incredible success. Sound good? All right, we'll see you on your call. In the meantime, here's to your inspired, boundless success. I am Coach Lorianne.